Meow. Bye. Okay, so this is step 2 of this little drawing, part 2, where I begin to strengthen up the lines that I really like and play things up a little. So if you want to see part 1 where I start from scratch, you should be able to see the link for that in the upper right hand corner if you hover over the upper right hand corner. And there's lots more videos on my channel too. So just kind of getting some toe beans in there. This is kind of one of the more fussy parts of the task because the perspective is important. It is for everything, but this tends to be a little more tricky. But you just do your best and you learn. I love this pose with the splayed out toe beans on that top paw. So I've sped it up to about 3 times the speed here, so you can get lots of learning done in a short period of time. And I'd love to hear about what kind of things you want to learn about drawing cats. Please tell me in the comments, or just tell me about yourself or your cat. I'd love to hear from you. Mucking around, erasing and fixing, and I do a little more erasing at this stage. Still minimal though. Thinking about each stroke. Yes, don't forget to join our Facebook group. The link for that is in the video description below, and you'll find some other handy links there too. Lots of cat drawing resources. And I just really thoughtfully think which lines I want to add at this stage because it's so easy to overdo it and make the drawing too busy. And then the eye doesn't know where to look. We just want to decide what's important, what gives us the expression, what makes the drawing about what the drawing is meant to be about. And the drawing has never been about each hair or anything like that. Well, I shouldn't say never. I used to think I had to draw all the hairs, but now I'm more into just character and soul and what lines are going to help depict that. The soul of that kitty cat, character and charm. And I love toe beans. And I'm also aiming at good rhythm and flow too, helping the lines flow back into the drawing. I'm real big on rhythm and flow within my drawing. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell so you'll know when the next video comes up. And we'd love to have you help us build the community. It's darkening up some of these lines. And this little sketch you can take in all kinds of different directions. You know, you can just let it be what it is, or it can be your preliminary sketch for a more polished piece of work. And it's always good practice and good learning. Always, always, always. And don't ever think your so-called bad drawings were pointless, because the learning you get from them is phenomenal. And you carry that learning forward to your future drawings. So please do drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing. Are there cat parts that you struggle with? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if you truly are passionate about drawing cats, then join our Facebook group and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching. And we will see you next time.